Fire alarm. Ready?
Number 43.
Ready? Go.
Okay, so
43 it is.
this is so stupid!
Indeed it is.
Claire, stay with me!
Come on, let's move on. How dumb your people really loud, isn't it? You're holding out and this gets
That was my fire extinguisher.
Burke, hello!
You look so stupid. Because I have to. Me and Sam are filming in soccer. Magic. Ah!
Hey! It's a camera.
I'm vlogging. Hey, Travis.
Hey.
What? I'm filming the fire alarm.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm bored. It's a new phone, might as well. Post it on YouTube. You're gonna be famous on YouTube. Well, you're gonna be famous. And I have to find number 43. 43, 43. 40, 41.
I think we're doing
Everything can die.
everything except that's like right. Everything else
Very important.
Sam, get over here. I gotta get a count. 6, 8, 10, 11.
Sam, I beat Bomb Man for you. You're welcome. You just have Iceman and Fireman left to go, Sam. I was going to beat Iceman,
Humans in the natural
but
habitat.
disappearing blocks
Better
made
to
me
hide
want
from
to
his cameras if it was a deadly weapon.
Michael, look, I got a punch punch soup.
My knuckles were going red for this. Stupid weather.
Yeah. Mine's doing that too. Do you have the remote for it where you can
Nah.
record it?
We decided we'd do the same thing, but
right.
I stopped my tape because, I don't have my backup battery on me today. Well, I don't have it with me. It's at the classroom.
No, hey, Kate. No. Hang on to it, Michael.
That's Sam, you're gonna be
I should still record this.
I like how they both stop.
Come on now.
I'm on.
Performance time.
You're gonna be famous on YouTube. No, I did 6.
Well, aren't you just rude? Good job, second
Famous
saxophone.
on YouTube. What do you?
Rock, performance time. This has been music with Brock, the 7th grader, because he's not an 8th grader. He betrayed us. He betrayed us all.
Oh damn, he is. Okay, I guess we just go back now.
And we're making our way back to the class.
Yeah.
Because the unquieters never go.
I read that today, this morning.
Work and then go to CEA dinner and then Greg Collier.
Oh god, where's Brock?
Human
Somebody
seed.
died.
Oh yeah.
I left you. Huh?
9:30 when I got home. And he said, well, that's stuff at 11:20.
I have to go to the 6th hour.
Let's go look at you. Who's your name, birthday?
Daniel.
Okay, what's your
Please.
birthday?
May 22nd, 2001.
Okay. There's all these random people in the fire drill. And there's you.
This one.
His feet really stink. And he's
Oh, thanks.
That really sucks. Okay. Oh, crap. YouTube pictures. I gotta.
Here you go. We're both hanging on lethal. I could.
I video recorded everything. You're going to prison. I literally am.
You can just
Filming. Send you to jail.
When you're in college, are you just gonna show us to this? Be like, I suck. Are you still be like, I'm still born?
The vlog selfie.
Yeah.